Good morning, children. This is the second part of your lesson, that is exercise part. Yesterday you have learned this lesson, the giving tree. Yesterday I explained the lesson. Today I will tell you about the exercises given in your textbooks. Now, children, there is reading is fun corner, that is question and answer. Now there are some questions and you have to give the answers. How did the boy enjoy the company of the tree? Every day the boy visited the tree and he enjoyed a lot the company of tree. He sat in the shade of the tree and ate apples. Now, how did the tree help the boy earn money? Children, that tree gave him lots of apples and he sold all the apples in the market, and in this way he earned the money. What did the boy make with the branches of the trees? Children, the boy made a house from the branches of the tree. Now, what did the boy make with the trunk of the tree? Children, the boy made a boat from the trunk of the tree to sail away. How was the stump of the tree useful? The stump of the tree was useful to sit and to take rest. Now, why is the play called the giving tree? Children, this play is called the giving tree because in this play, all the time the tree is given something to the boy. Like he gave his apples, its branches, its trunk. So in this way, he helped the boy. That is called the giving tree. Word building. Now make new words and complete the sentences. Children, you have to make new words and complete the sentences. In these sentences, at the end of the sentence, there is a words. There's some adjectives are given there, and you have to make them the verb by adding ly. So I am reading the sentence, and as well as I will fill up the blanks also. The children love to sing loudly. The word in the bracket is loud. Read your lesson silently. The word in the bracket is given silent. Throw the ball slowly. The word is given slow. The tree gave its fruit to the boy. Happily. The main word is happy. Do you work neatly? Then the word is given here neat. So children, in all these words we added ly and made the adverbs. Now fill in the blanks with the correct words. The children, now you have to fill in the blanks in the correct words. Why? There are singular and plural words, and you have to fill up the singular as well as plural where it is needed according to the sentence. So you have to fill up the appropriate words. Singular and plurals are given there. So these are like this in the passage form. My mother went to the market and bought a kilogram of apples. Here apple and apples are given. The correct word is apples. A dozen bananas. Now children, banana and bananas. The correct word is bananas and not the banana. And a dozen oranges. And the children, here the oranges is the correct word and orange is not the correct word. I love oranges, so I ate an orange. Here the words orange and orange is given, but you have to write here orange. My brother wanted a banana. Yes children, here you will write banana. Bananas are wrong. And my sister asked for an apple. Here the apple is correct, apples are wrong. So a tree has one trunk. Yes, trunk and trunks are given there. You have to write down trunk. The tree has one trunk, but many branches. Children, two words are given there, branch and branches. You have to write down branches. A branch has a number of leaves. Children, here branch and branches are given. So the branch is the correct word, not the branches. And has a number of leaves. Here leaf and leaves are given. The correct word is leaves, not the leaf. And flowers, and the flowers are also correct. Flower is incorrect. Flowers are correct. Where we had filled here the appropriate singular or plural appropriate words. Now let's talk. Why should we not cut the trees, children? We should not cut the trees because trees are the most important resource of natural resources, and they gives us lot of things. At the end of the play, only stump of the tree is left. Find out it is if it will grow into a tree again. Yes, children. After cutting the tree, it grows again, and little branches come there. Yes. Say the given sentences with different expressions, children. There are some sentences are given there, and you have to say those sentences in different expression. Come and play with me. I want to buy things and have fun. Come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. Cut down my trunk. I am too old to swing on branches. I am too tired to climb. Children, you can speak these sentences in different manner. You have to practice in your home. Let's write these sentences in the correct order. Also choose the right word from the box and add it before each sentence. Remember to put a comma after it. For example, finally. So children, here four things are given: first, then, after that, and finally. These four things are there, and you have to use those things appropriately. Now, and there's four sentences are also given, and these sentences are in jumbled form. You have to put the sentence in correct order, and you have to use the correct one. Okay, I am doing for you. Now your first sentence will be the tree gave first. The tree gave its apple to boy. The second sentence will be then it gave him its branches to make a house. Then third sentence is after that it gave him its trunks to make boat. And the fourth sentence is finally it asked him to sit on the stump. Now children, work in group and decide the things that you can do to help your grandparents or any old person. Now write 5 of these things that you will do. Children, you have to how you help your parents, your grandparents, your grandmother or grandfather. Now you have to sentence 5 sentences, and you can make more than those sentences. I have tried for you, and you can give your own sentences. We will support our grandparents. We will give them things to eat and drink. We will give them medicines on time. We will support them while they are walking. We will talk to them, and we will respect them. These are few sentences. You have to make some more sentences. How to you will help your grandparents. Now children, some more exercises. You are reading and talking about trees. You are thinking about trees too. Can you make the shape of a tree with your body, children? Now you can do some exercises, and you can make the different shapes of the trees by your legs and your hands. Let's see your branches. Let's see your branches, children. You can see the branches of tree with the help of your both the hands. Let's see a full tree with fruits and leaves. You can enact the leaves and fruits on the trees. Enact cut trees with only a trunk. Children, you can enact how you cut the tree and it becomes only trunk. Then trunk. Now enact a tree with only a stump left. Now you can enact the tree by sitting down, and you will enact like a stump of the tree. Communicate the idea in this play, and children, in this way you can communicate the idea of what here the writer wants to say. Now children, use of your body. What are the things you can do to your bodies? You can stretch. You can आप अपने शरीर को पूरा फैलाते हो बच्चों, उससे तरह तरह के आप एक्शन करते हो. बेंड मीन्स झुकना, आप झुकते हो. जंप मीन्स कूदना, आप अपने शरीर से कूदते हो. ट्विस्ट, आप घूमते हो, ट्विस्ट करते हो. हॉप मतलब आप एक पैर से कूदते हो बच्चों. एंड क्लाइम मतलब आप चढ़ते हो, पेड़ पे चढ़ते हो. दीज आर सम एक्टिविटीज ऑफ योर बॉडी. Now children, there is a small poem and one exercise. There is a poem Chintha Chattu. Chintha Chattu is a tamarind tree. This famous tamarind tree is in Gwalior. Now it grows over Tansen's tomb. Tansen was a great singer. People in Gwalior says, eat the leaves of this tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. चिल्ड्रन चिंता चैटू नाम का एक पेड़ है और वो इमली का पेड़ है जो कि बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध है और वो ग्वालियर में है बच्चों। ये ग्रोज ओवर तानसेन स्टोम, वो तानसेन की कब्र के पास बना हुआ है, वो पेड़ लगा हुआ है। तानसेन वॉज अ ग्रेट सिंगर, तानसेन जो था बच्चों बहुत ही महान गायक थे और पीपुल इन ग्वालियर से, और ग्वालियर के लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, ईट द लीव्स ऑफ दिस टैमरिंड ट्री, और अगर आप इस इमली के पेड़ की पत्तियों को खाते हैं एंड यू विल ऑल्सो सिंग लाइक तानसेन, तो आप भी तानसेन के जैसे गाना सीख जाएंगे, गाने लग जाएंगे। Children, some 5 sentences are given there and you have to choose the correct word. Options are given there like Chinta Chettu is a tamarind tree. Yes, the options are tree and leaf. The correct option is tree. Chinta Chettu is a tamarind tree. This famous tree is in Gwalior. Yeah, 2 options are given there, Guntur and Gwalior. The correct answer is Gwalior. This famous tree is in Gwalior. Now, Tansen was a famous singer. The children, correct word is singer. The other word is given here, dancer. But the Tansen was famous singer. Now the tamarind tree grows over Tansen's tomb. There are 2 options given, house and tomb. But the correct answer is tomb. The tamarind tree grows over Tansen's tomb. Now children, eat the leaves of the tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. Here the 2 options are given, Tansen and Akbar, and the correct word is Tansen. Eat the leaves of the tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. Thank you children.